Hi friends, Anith here. Welcome to Tweak Spark. So today's video you can expect a wonderful topic, wonderful message which is misinterpreted by most of us in Tweak Talk arena. So it is more related with the wait time elaboration. More detail of the wait time will be elaborated in this talk discussion. So it's time to dive into the topic. So on starting anything new or something great, what we do usually is we go to the creator or we go to the temple. We ask Lord, please help me, make me helpful. I should get this done. That would be our normal prayer. So after this is done, we'll just come back to our place or come back to our home, and we'll be sitting thinking that okay, God will help me to get this done. I've asked him I should be a top level at the top level position, or I should be topper. That was my request to God, and he will take care of this. Yes, he will definitely take care of this of your request, and it depends on the wait time. So what is the wait time? So wait time is inversely proportional to your individual efforts. What does that mean? So it should something, if we ask God also, we should put our individual efforts, which increases the total value to a greater level, and the wait time will be reduced. So wait time is something which is inversely proportional to our individual efforts. So let's understand this with a simple example. So we all, as soon as we get tired, we just think of drinking a cup of coffee. So no one is available at home, so it's our turn to prepare a cup of coffee. So you have a milk pan, you have a milk packet, you have a packet of sugar, and you have a packet of coffee powder. So what my mother told is, okay, mix everything, you'll get a cup of coffee. So based upon those understandings, I take the milk in the milk pan, I mix the packet of sugar, I add a packet of sugar in that, I add a packet of coffee powder in that, and stir it very well. Now I think that okay, coffee is ready. So I take the cup and drink. So let's take a real example of how it tastes. So this has the coffee which I told now, which is being prepared. Doesn't taste good. Why? So if we deeply look into it, so milk has to be boiled first. So on heating the milk, it boils based upon its boiling point of milk. So we have to first switch on the gas stove, pour the milk in the milk pan, and keep that over the gas stove, in the gas stove. So milk takes its own time to get boiled. So which is again dependent on the boiling point of milk, which is the wait time, ideal wait time. So after this is done, now you do the same process. You add the same packet of sugar, same packet of coffee powder, stir it very well. Now drink it. You'll be more energized now, which will taste good. So that is how it is being designed. So you need to put your effort of switching on the gas stove, which boils the milk, and it waits till the boiling point of milk. So that is our wait time. So on doing our individual efforts, it increases our confidence level, and also we will be able to get it done. So which reduce the wait time. So as and again previously discussed, wait time is inversely proportional to our individual efforts. So Lord, please give me the power to overcome these challenges which are coming in this task. I should be confident to get this done. So that should be our prayer, rather than asking God, please make me please get it done for me. So you should ask God to support you or help you. That's all I had for today's discussion. So let's meet up in the next discussion. So thanks all for your time.